Alright folks, so here it is. This is what you've been waiting for. If you guys saw the swing away hitch on my van, this is what it's going to be used for. So I got this was actually pretty cheap. They were on sale. They were about $82 delivered right to my door for this. It's not the greatest quality by any means, but I mean, it was shipped in this huge box with $82 shipped right to my doorstep. I'm kind of happy. There's a little bit of a bend in it and all this other jazz, but everything works as it should. This cargo carrier on the bottom, I picked this up real cheap for like $35. I mean, it's basically brand new. And it's going to actually be turned 180 degrees, so it will open up towards my van. And the reason why I'm doing that is because when I have it on the swing away, it's going to swing out and it'll be facing me, and I can use this as a cooktop and to store stuff in. So really quickly, I'll open it for you guys. Check it out. Oh, come on. Oh, there it goes. I'm probably going to put some kind of a chain in here or something like that so the top just doesn't go flopping or whatever, because that's hard on the hinges. So I'll put a stopper chain or something like that in there so it doesn't go completely crazy. But yeah, that's it. Should hold a lot of stuff. I was thinking about putting my spare tire on this same rack, but I said, the heck with it. This will be on my vehicle here soon. I did cut this a little shorter, so it wasn't so far out away from the back of my van, because it's already extended with the swing away hitch. So let me show you the swing away hitch in the next video, and hopefully I'll get this mounted today. We'll see.